Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo and Pato fishing. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Pocoyo. I start with his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. Then I draw the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. I draw one of his arms like this. He is waving to you. Hello! Now let's draw his body. In his other hand, I draw a fishing net. Now let's draw his inflatable boat. Then I continue with Pato. I start with his eyes, then his beak. He has a captain's hat on top of his head. I draw a fishing rod in his hands. Amazing! Finally, I draw a wavy line for the water. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color Pocoyo. I use cream for his skin. Then light red for his mouth. I color his outfit with blue. Yellow. For the handle of the fishing net, I use brown. Now let's color Pato. He is a yellow duck, so I color his body with this yellow marker. I use orange for his beak. I color his hat black, yellow, and blue. His fishing rod is going to be red and green. I color the inflatable boat with this marker. Then I add a little purple. Finally, I color the water with blue. And I add a little light blue in the background. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.